Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 3. In Chapter number 3, so far we have completed exercise 3.1 and 3.3. Now we can get into that 3.2, exercise 3.2. Before that, you must be knowing the definition. First one, if C is the cost of producing an output X, X refers output and C refers cost. The word, look at that word, marginal cost. The marginal cost that is represented by MC equals rate of change of cost with respect to X. Whenever the word the rate of change, that means a differentiation, that is dC by dx. C refers cost, X refers output. Now, average cost function AC equals cost by X, cost by output. Okay. Now, X is not equal to 0 condition. Next one, a revenue function from marginal revenue function. If R is the total revenue function when the output is X, then marginal revenue MR equals dR by dx. MR is dR by dx. Next one, demand function P that is equal to R by X. Even for average revenue, same formula only. Average revenue, that is capital R by X. Demand function P equals R by X. Same formula for both. Next, to find the maximum profit if marginal revenue and the marginal cost function are given. If capital P denotes the profit function, then dP by dx, rate of change of profit, equals d by dx of that profit can be replaced by a revenue minus cost. Revenue minus cost or minus C, that is a formula for profit. So dr by dx minus dc by dx. You know very well, dr by dx is a marginal revenue minus dc by dx is marginal cost. Next, the demand functions from elasticity of demand. Particularly that eta, what symbol it is? Eta is the elasticity function. That is equal to formula x by y into dy by dx. Even we can see ey by ex. Y and x are in suffix. So eta represents elasticity. Now elasticity of demand, eta d equals, look at the formula, minus p by x into dx by dp. So these are the formulae to be applied in this exercise. Now I'll be teaching that exercise 3.2 in the next video. So intro part is over. Okay, thank you children. This is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics. Now chapter number 3, exercise 3.2, problem number 1. The cost of overall of an engine is 10,000 rupees. The operating cost per hour is at the rate of 2x minus 240, where the engine has run x kilometer. Find out the total cost if the engine run for 300 hours, not hours. Here you are given kilometer, it has to be changed to kilometers. KMS. after overall. So what is the overall cost? Overhauling, they have spent 10,000 rupees. Okay. By data, C of X, C refers cost, that is 10,000 rupees. Now the operating cost per hour is at the rate of, already I told you, whenever you are given the word at the rate, you have to introduce a differentiation. So here what is given? Cost per hour given. So what I have tried, dc by dx, dc by dx. Here even you have to change the word as kilometer. So rate of change of C with respect to that kilometer, dc by dx, given dc by dx, that is equal to 2x minus 240. To find the, listen here, find out the total cost if the engine run for 300 kilometers. To find C of x when x, that is equal to 300. Solution. You are given dc by dx, that is equal to 2x minus 240. Cross multiply, I am retaining dc in the left hand side, 2x minus 240 into dx. Integrating on both sides. Integral dc equals integral 2x minus 240 dx. You know the differentiation of dx, sorry, integration of dx. Integration of dx is x, integration of dc is c, equals. Write the constant 2 as it is. Integration of x power 1, that is equal to x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Already have learnt in the previous exercise. Now 240 dx, 240 is a constant, integral dx is x. Once the integration is over, generally we are introducing the constant. In this exercise in particular, c refers cost. Generally we are introducing the constant c. Instead of c, I am introducing the constant k, because already I mentioned c over here. Here c is not the constant, c refers cost function, so that I am introducing the constant k, which implies c equals 2x square divided by 2 minus 240x plus k. 2 to get cancelled. C, that is equal to x squared minus 240x plus k. Here in terms of x, cost in terms of x, now you can write c of x. C and c of x are same only. Let it be number 1. How to find the value of k? Here, for overhauling cost, overall cost, when x, that is equal to 0, x refers the distance run by the machine, engine, sorry, not machine, engine here. So when x equals 0, the overall cost you have to take, that is given 10,000. Right? Substitute x equals 0 and c of x equals 10,000 in equation number 1. That means x equal, I have taken x equals 0 if the engine is in static position. If it doesn't run, how much amount we have spent for overhauling? 10,000 rupees, that has to be considered. So substitute in equation number 1. So equation 1 implies what is in the left hand side, c of x, that can be replaced by 10,000 rupees, equals Replace x by 0, 0 square 0 minus 240 into 0, 0 plus k. So k that is equal to 10,000. Substitute the value of k in equation number 1. So 1 implies, therefore equation 1 implies c of x equals x squared minus 240x plus k value 10,000. So x squared minus 240x plus 10,000. Now you are asked to find out the cost when x equals 300 km. After overhauling, the engine has to run for 300 kilometers. If it runs for 300 kilometers, what will be the cost? That is the question. So, when x equals 300, let it be number 2. Equation 2 implies c of x. You are asked to find out c of x. X can be replaced by 300. 300 square minus 240 into 300 plus 10,000. 300 square that is equal to 90,000 minus here 0, here double 0, totally triple 0. 24 into 3 that is 72. So 72,000 plus 10,000 equals 90,000 minus 72,000 that is equal to 18,000. 18,000 plus 10,000 equals 28,000. Cost, therefore I have to mention the unit rupees. So the cost of the engine after overhauling, if it runs for 300 kilometers, that is 28,000 rupees. Problem number 1 is over. I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children. Students, this is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 2. Elasticity of a function Ey by Ex is given by minus 7x divided by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. Find the function when x equals to y equals 3 by 8. Given Ey by Ex. What it means? Eta. Eta refers elasticity. That is equal to minus 7x whole divided by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. To find the function. The function refers y. Function is y. When x that is equal to y, in terms of x you have to find out. Okay. When x equals 2 and y that is equal to 3 by 8. Not the value. Remember, you are asked to find out the function. When x value is 2 and y value is 3 by 8. Okay. Which implies, you know the formula for eta y by eta x. Sorry, Ey by Ex. Ey by Ex means elasticity. Elasticity formula, already I told you. Here it is. X by y into dy by dx. So this can be replaced by x by y into dy by dx. That is equal to minus 7x divided by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. Can cancel x and x. Then I am retaining dy by y in the left hand side. We have to integrate. Before that, you have to separate the variables, all y terms in one side and x terms in other side. I am retaining y in the left hand side because you are asked to find out the function y in terms of x. So I am retaining y, all y terms in the left hand side. Before integration, listen carefully, before integration you have to retain dy and dx in numerator only. So dy is in numerator but dx is in denominator, so it has to be cross multiplied. So minus 7 dx divided by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. Now let it be number 1. Before integration, now variables been separated. Look at that, all y terms in left hand side, all x terms in right hand side. Before integration we have to go for the partial fraction. Consider this expression. Consider minus 7 divided by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. That is equal to a divided by, that partial fraction, look at that denominator, two different factors. One is 1 minus 2x, another one is 2 plus 3x. Both are linear only, two different. So a divided by the first factor 1 minus 2x plus b divided by the second one 2 plus 3x. Let it be number 2. How to find the values of a and b? Write the LHS as it is. Minus 7 divided by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. For that right hand side LCM, the left hand side denominator what it is, right, as it is, 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x, 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. That is the LCM for the right hand side. Now cross multiply a into 2 plus 3x, b into 1 minus 2x. A into 2 plus 3x plus b into 1 minus 2x. Now you can cancel these two. Now which is inside the brackets, let it be the first block and second block. In first block, inside the brackets we have 2 plus 3x considered as 0. 2 plus 3x is equal to 0. You have to find out the value of x. 3x, that is equal to plus 2 comes right hand side, minus 2. X equals minus 2 by 3. When x, that is equal to minus 2 by 3, substitute in this equation. So minus 7 equals, I do one thing, let it be number 3. So equation 3 implies, okay, minus 7 equals, if we replace x by minus 2 by 3, we will be getting 0 only. Anyway I do it. A into 2 plus 3 into x has to be replaced by minus 2 by 3 plus b into 1 minus 2 into x should be replaced by minus 2 by 3. 3 get cancelled. A 2 plus into minus, minus 2 plus b into 1 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 by 3 equals a into 0 plus b into 3 1s are 3 plus 4 divided by 3. Left hand side we have minus 7. So minus 7 equals a into 0 0 plus 4 plus 3 7 into b 7b by 3. So 7b by 3, that is equal to minus 7. 7b divided by 3, that is equal to minus 7. 7 7 get cancelled. What will be there? Minus 1 in the right hand side. So b, that is equal to, here cross multiply 3 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 3. What the value of b? Now we have to find the value of a. So now second block which is inside the brackets 1 minus 2x. Take 1 minus 2x equals 0. So minus 2x, that is equal to plus 1 comes right hand side, minus 1. Both minus get cancelled. X, that is equal to 1 by 2. So when x, that is equal to 1 by 2, equation number 3 implies, in equation number 3 what is in the left hand side? Minus 7 a into 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus b into 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Minus 7 equals a into 2 plus 3 into 1 3 by 2 plus b into 1 minus 1. minus 7 equals a into 2 2s are 4 plus 3 by 2 plus b into 0. So minus 7 equals 4 plus 3 7a by 2 plus 0. Minus 7 equals 7a by 2 plus 0. So which implies we can write 7a by 2 that is equal to minus 7. Both 7 get cancelled. A that is equal to have to cross multiply minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Now we got the values of a and b. Now substitute the values of a and b in equation number 2. Therefore equation number 2 implies in second equation what is in the left hand side? Minus 7 divided by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. Minus 7 divided by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. That is equal to a divided by 1 minus 2x. What is the value of a? Minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 1 minus 2x plus b. B value here it is. What is the value of b? Minus 3. So minus 3 divided by 2 plus 3x. Now equation number 1 implies. Now equation number 1 implies what is here? Dy by y. Write as it is. Equals right hand side minus 7 divided by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. This part can be replaced by, look at that, minus 2 by 1 minus 2x minus 3 divided by 2 plus 3x dx. Now we can integrate. Integrating on both sides. So integral dy by y can be written as 1 by y into dy. Here we have x, here also x term. Look at that coefficient of x, that is 3, positive one. Here x is negative. Even you can change negative into positive. What to do for that? Multiply the numerator and denominator by minus. Right? If you multiply the numerator by minus, minus become plus divided by, if you multiply 1 minus 2x by minus, I do it here, 1 minus 2x, if you multiply by minus, minus into 1 minus 1, minus into minus 2x plus 2x. So you can write 2x minus 1. This one write as it is, dx. Now x coefficient is positive, here also the x coefficient is positive. Now integration will be easy for you. It can be separated as 2 into 1 by 2x minus 1. Here the 2 is a constant, you can keep it outside the integral. Minus, here dx, here minus 3 into 3 is the constant. So 1 divided by 2 plus 3x, or even can write 3x plus 2 into dx. So which formula to be applied for both? We know that integration of 1 divided by ax plus b dx, that is equal to 1 by a into log of modulus of ax plus b. Integration. A is the coefficient of x. Okay, listen carefully. 1 by y, you can directly write 1 by x dx. Integration is log x. So 1 by y dy integration is log y. That is equal to, now right hand side, 2 write as it is. Here you have to apply the formula. Formula 1 by a. What is a? A is a coefficient of x. Log of modulus of 2x minus 1. This part is over. Minus 3 into, here 1 by a. A, what is a here? 3. Here 2, here 3. 1 by a into log of modulus of 3x plus 2. Right, once the integration is over, already told you have to introduce the constant. I am introducing the constant k. Instead of k, I am introducing log k, because here log, here log, here log, no, can introduce, instead of k you can introduce log k, remember. Now here 2 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. So log y, only log y in the left hand side. Right hand side we have log of modulus of 2x minus 1 minus log of modulus of 3x plus 2 plus log k. Here you can apply the formula log m minus log n. Log m minus log n, that is equal to log m by n. So modulus of 2x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 2 plus log k, let it be. Here log m minus log n, that is equal to log m by n. Here addition of logarithm, you have to apply the product rule. Log m plus log n, that is equal to log mn. The entire expression should be considered as m. This one is n. So log m plus log n equals log mn. That is 2x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 2. You can eliminate that modulus. You just put that brackets only into k. Log m plus log n equals log mn. What is in the left hand side? Log y. Now look at that. We have one logarithm in the left hand side and one logarithm in the right hand side. Both log can be eliminated. Don't strike out that one. Can eliminate both log. You'll be getting y, that is equal to 2x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 2 into k. Let it be number 4, because we have taken up to 3, now 4. This only you are asked to find out. Look at that question. You are asked to find out the function y in terms of x. The condition is given when x equals 2, y, that is equal to 3 by 8. Given when x equals 2, y, that is equal to 3 by 8. Substitute both the values in equation number 4 for finding the value of k. Therefore equation 4 implies y, that is equal to 3 by 8, that is equal to 2 into x value 2 minus 1 divided by 3 into x value 2 plus 2 into k. 3 by 8, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1, that is 3, divided by 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8 k. 3 3 get cancelled, 8 8 get cancelled, 1 will be there. So what is the value of k? 1. Therefore equation 4 implies, listen carefully, in equation number 4, what is in the left hand side? Y, that is equal to 2x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 2. Look at that. We have k. That k can be replaced by 1. Correct. 1 into anything is same thing. So I write the reason here, since k, that is equal to 1. That's all. This is the function y in terms of x. So problem number 2 is over. I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children. Students, this is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 3. The elasticity of demand is given. That is 4 minus x divided by x. Here P is the price and demand is x. You are asked to find out the demand function when the price is 4 and the demand is 2. Don't get confused. Demand is different from demand function. Demand function is P in terms of x. P in terms of x. Here demand alone is called x. Price alone, that is called P. Find the revenue function also. Okay. So what is given? The elasticity of demand given, that is eta d. Solution. Eta d, that is equal to 4 minus x by x. This is given. Eta d can be replaced by the formula already I have told you, minus p by x into dx by dp. That is equal to 4 minus x by x. Here x get cancelled. Then we have to separate the variable, x in one side, p in one side, p in other side. Then before integration, already I told you the coefficient of x has to be positive. If it is positive, the integration will be easy. So for making minus x into plus x, multiply minus on both sides. This minus become plus. For your reference, right here, multiply by minus on both sides. So minus become plus. So p into dx by dp, that is equal to, if you multiply by minus x become plus, 4 becomes minus 4. Now separate the variables. Dx divided by x minus 4, cross multiply dp divided by p. Once again, dp divided by p, dx by x minus 4. Already told you the before integration you had to verify both the dx and dp must be in numerator. You are asked to find out the demand function, correct? So demand function already told you p in terms of x. So p has to be retained in the left hand side, so that can interchange both RHS and LHS. dp by p, that is equal to dx by x minus 4. Now integrating on both sides. Integral dp by p and 1 by dp are same. dx by x minus 4 can be written as 1 by x minus 4 into dx. Now what form it is? Integral 1 by x dx, you know very well, log x. So here you can write log p. Log p, that is equal to, so this is of the form 1 by ax plus b into dx. I write the formula over here. Maybe you know that integral 1 by ax plus b into dx, that is equal to log of modulus of ax plus b, where a is the coefficient of x. Here 1 by a. So listen, what is the coefficient of x please? 1 only. 1 only. So substitute a, that is equal to 1 in the formula. Okay. So 1 by 1. 1 by 1, that is 1 only. So straight away we can write log modulus of ax plus b. This is ax plus b. What is here? X minus 4, right as it is. Integration is over. You have to introduce the constant. In general, we are introducing c. Here you can introduce k, but here log, there also log. So instead of k, you can introduce log k. So log p, that is equal to, what form it is? Log m plus log n, that is equal to log mn. Since log m plus log n, that is equal to log mn. Therefore, this can be written as log of x minus 4 into k. You can write that x minus 4 inside the bracket, so you can neglect the modulus. So here 1 log, there also 1 log. So both log can be eliminated. So p, that is equal to x minus 4 into k, or k into x minus 4. Let it be numbered 1. We have to find out the value of k. So given, look at that, what is given? P equals 4, when p equals 4 and x equals 2. When p, that is equal to 4, x, that is equal to 2. Therefore equation 1 implies, replace p by 4. 4, that is equal to k into x minus 4. X value 2, 2 minus 4. 4, that is equal to 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 into k, minus 2k. Divide by 2 table. How many times? 2 times. So 2, that is equal to minus k, or minus k, that is equal to 2. Multiply minus on both sides. Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. So got the value of k. Substitute the value of k in equation number 1. Therefore equation 1, what is in the left hand side? P equals k. What is the value of k? Minus 2 into x minus 4. That is the demand function. Demand function p in terms of x. Already told you what do you mean by demand function. P in terms of x. So minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8. You can write 8 minus 2x. Now demand function is over. Then you have to find out the revenue function. And revenue function, or revenue function formula p into x. It's a formula for revenue function. Okay. Already we have p. What's the value of p here? 8 minus 2x into x. That is equal to 8 into x. 8x minus 2x into x is 2x squared. Over. So note down the formula for revenue function. or that is equal to P into X. So problem number 3 is over. I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sukumar, 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 4. A company receives a shipment of 500 scooters every 30 days. From experience, it is known that the inventory on hand is related to the number of days, X. Since the shipment I of X equals 500 minus 0.03 X squared, the daily holding cost per scooter is rupees 0.3. Determine the total cost of maintaining inventory for 30 days. For this problem in particular, we have to apply this formula. This is in page number 111. Okay, listen. Inventory, in the heading of inventory. Given the inventory on hand I of X and the unit holding cost C1, the total inventory carrying cost is, what's the formula? C1 into integral 0 to T into I of X dx, where T is a time period under consideration. Okay. In problem number 4, you are given C1. C1, that is a holding cost per scooter, that is C1, that is 0.3. I of X is given 100 minus 0.03 X squared. Okay. Now total cost of maintaining, therefore total cost of maintaining inventory for 30 days, that is equal to, what is the formula? I of X refers inventory on hand. Okay, so what is the formula for total inventory carrying cost? C1 into integral 0 to T I of X dx. C1 integral 0 to T I of X dx equals C1, here it is, holding cost, what is given? 0.3. Integral 0 to T, what is the time period? For 30 days. So starting one is 0, the ending one is 30 days. Here T, that is equal to 30. I of X is given, that is equal to 500 minus 0.03 X square dx. Since you are having that limits, this is called a definite integral. So 0.3 write as it is. 500 into dx integration, 500 write the constant as it is, integral dx is x minus 0.03 x square integration x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Then integration is over. You are not supposed to introduce the constant k since it is a definite integral. So have to apply the limits only. Here the formula we have used, integral x power n dx, that is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, that is equal to 0.3 500x minus 0.03 x cube divided by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, limit to 0 to 30 equals 0.3. Apply the upper limit, replace x by 30. 500 into 30 minus 0.03 divided by 3 can cancel, that is equal to 0.01. 0.01 into x, that is equal to 30, power 3. This is upper limit. Upper limit is over. Minus, you have to replace x by 0. If you replace x by 0, 500 into 0, 0. 0 cube equal to 0, 0 into anything 0. So total value is 0. That is equal to 0.3. 500 into 30, that is equal to 15,000 minus 0.01 into 30 cube, that is equal to 27,000. 30 into 30 into 30. 30 into 30, that is equal to 900. 900 into 30, that is equal to 27,000. Equals 0.3 into 15,000 minus 0.01 into 27,000, that is equal to 270. 270 equals 0.3 into 15,000 minus 270, that is equal to, you can subtract 0, then 10 minus 7, that is equal to 3, 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7, here 4, 14,730. Into 0.3. 0, 9, 21 balance 2, 12 plus 2, 14 balance 1. So what's the answer? You have to, so one decimal place now, after one digit you have to keep the decimal point. What's the answer? 4419. 4419 rupees. That is the total cost of maintaining inventory for how many days? 30 days. So problem number 4 is over. Then I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sokumar, 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 5. An account fetches interest at the rate of 5% per annum, compounded continuously. An individual deposits rupees 1,000 each year in the account. How much will be in the account after 5 years? E power 0.25 value is given, that is equal to 1.284. What you have to find? How much will be in the account after 5 years? For this problem in particular, you have to apply this formula. Read, listen. Amount of an annuity. The amount of an annuity is the sum of all payments made plus all interest accumulated. Let an annuity consist of equal payments of rupees P and the interest rate of odd % annually, the compounded continuously. Here is the formula. Amount of annuity after n payments, capital A, equals 0 to n P into e power RT dt. Okay. In this problem, P, that is equal to 1,000 rupees. Rate of interest 5%. Capital N value is 5. Here N, that is equal to 5. Formula. Therefore, amount of annuity after n payments capital A, that is equal to 0 to n P into e power RT dt. Equals 0 to n value 5, P value here it is 1,000. Since 1,000 is a constant, you can write outside the integral. E power R value 1 by 20 into T, write as it is, dt as it is. Since dt is there, T is the function. Okay. Now write 1,000 as it is. Here we have to apply the formula integral e power ax dx. Formula, write 1 by a first, 1 by a into e power ax, where a is the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x t is, instead of x, what is here? T. Okay. Here a is the coefficient of t. What is the coefficient of t? 1 by 20. Okay, listen. 1 by a value 1 by 20, e power ax. So write as it is, 1 by 20 into t. Integration is over, then you have to apply the limits. 1000 into division become multiplication, 1 by 20 reciprocal is 20 into 20 e power 1 by 20 into t, integral 0 to 5 equals 1000 into 20 equals 20,000. E power 1 by 20 into upper limit is 5 minus e power 1 by 20 into lower limit is 0. First t should be replaced by 5, then t should be replaced by 0. 20,000 into e power 5 divided by 20, 5 table 4 times, so 1 by 4 minus e power 0 into anything 0 equals 20,000. E power 1 by 4 equals 0.25 minus anything power 0 equals 1, that is equal to 20,000 into e power 0.25 value is given in the question itself. What is the value? 1.284. 1.284 minus 1, that is equal to 20,000. Subtract, you will be getting 0.284, that is equal to, first write 4 zeros, then multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, balance 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. After decimal point, how many digits? We have 3 digits. So from the right hand side, after 3 digits, keep the decimal point. So what is the answer? 5680 rupees. 5,680 rupees. So problem number 5 is over. I will be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 6. Marginal cost function is given, dc by dx. Already told you dc by dx and marginal cost are same. Then where x is the output, you are asked to find out the total cost and average cost when the fixed cost is 500. Look at the word, fixed cost is 500 rupees. You can proceed. Solution. Given dc by dx, that is equal to 100 minus 10x plus 0.1 x squared. It is given. This is the marginal cost. You are asked to find out that total cost. Total cost and cost are same only. So that I am retaining dc in the left hand side. Then you have to cross multiply 100 minus 10x plus 0.1 x squared into dx. Integrating on both sides. Integral dc equals integral 100 minus 10x plus 0.1 x squared dx. Integration of dc is c, that is equal to 100 into dx integration, 100 constant, integral dx is x, minus 10 constant, x power 1 integration, you know very well, x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, you can directly write 2 by 2, 1 becomes 2 divided by 2 plus 0.1 x square integration, add 1 with the power 2 becomes 3 divided by 3. Okay, now I have to introduce the constant, let it be k. Divide by 2 table, how many times? 5 times. So c, that is equal to 100x minus 5x squared plus 0.1 x cube by 3 plus k, let it be number 1. So cost in terms of x, so that you can write x, c of x. C and c of x are same only. So by data, to find the value of k, what condition is given? Fixed cost. Whenever the word you are on the fixed cost, now you have to consider x equals 0. X equals 0 and c of x equals the given value. What is the given value of c of x? 500. By data, when x equals 0, c of x, that is equal to 500. Therefore, equation 1 implies, in equation number, what is in the left hand side? In equation number 1, what is in the left hand side? C of x. That c of x can be replaced by 500. That is equal to 100 into x value 0 minus 5 into 0 square is 0. 0.1 into 0 cube is 0 by 3 plus k. 500, that is equal to 100 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 0 into anything 0, divide by 3, that is also 0, together 0, 0 plus k. So k, that is equal to 500. Therefore, k, that is equal to 500. Therefore, equation 1 implies, substitute the value of k in equation number 1. What is here? C of x equals 100x minus 5x squared. C of x, that is equal to 100x minus 5x squared plus 0.1 x cube by 3, 0.1 x cube by 3 plus k. What is the value of k? 500. This is the cost function. This is one answer. So total cost is over. Now average cost, and average cost, that is AC. Average cost formula, cost by x, not c into x. We are not supposed to say c into x, c of x divided by x. Cost function, here it is 100x minus 5x square plus 0.1 x cube divided by 3 plus 500 whole divided by x. Each and every term should be divided by x. 100x by x, 1x get cancelled, 100. 5x squared by x, 1x get cancelled, 5x. Here 0.1 x cube by 3, 1x get cancelled, 0.1 x squared by 3 plus 500 by x. That's all. Average cost also over. Now problem number 6 is over. I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children.